Alright, Secret DIY here, and today on this Fan Dabby Dozy episode I'm going to show you how to put corner tape up onto these corners here to make your corners look absolutely beautiful. So with that said, let's get cracked on. So started off with this Easy Fill 45. The reason I've got Easy Fill 45, it gives you a working time of 45 minutes, but that's what they had in the shops, that's what I bought at the time when I bought it. So that's what I'm using. I obviously went on, and this is where I'm putting it in. Yes, there's many different ways of doing it. You could be putting it on a plasterboard, you could be putting it on top of your paint lid, you could be putting it in a bucket. But I had this to hand, and this is what I'm using, so please don't slate me off. Anyway, so start mixing up. You're just adding your water on into the powder. I put the powder in first. Obviously, as I'm mixing it up, I just keep going and going and going till you get some consistency that starts to look like this, that's spreadable. Once you've done that, then it's just a case of starting to cut down your corner tape. So you want to start off with your first corner. I've got two to do. Got one on both sides of the door. Obviously, this decided to fall out the box, but that doesn't matter. End of the day, measure it from the top, work your way down, and then just cut the bottom with the snips. So once you've done that, you want to test the other side, make sure it's the same size, because if it's the same size you can just do this. Obviously square it off by folding it over, and then I basically just pull it down from the bottom all the way down, and I come to snip it again. Happy days. So this is the consistency that you want. That's the consistency, something that you can be able to spread. I've got my corkboard here, and I've got obviously my scraper. So the key to this is this. So you want to start from the top, and you want to work your way down basically. So I'll show you. So what you want to be doing is you want to be getting your scraper, and you just want to be piling it on like so. Just curving the scraper. Okay, all the way down. Then you want to start all the way down this way as well. Okay. Piling on like no tomorrow. Okay, just keep going all the way down like so. So we're ready to put the gear on now. So what you want to be doing is this. You're making sure it's folded like so. Okay, all the way down. And you want to start, okay, from the top. Like so. Put it on. And just sit it on nicely. Okay, try and get it as straight as you can. Now, got it somewhere in place now. There's it all the way down the bottom there as well. Oh, I'll tell you what, that's folded, you don't want that folded. Okay, so we've got it somewhere near. All you do then is start from the top again. Okay. Sorry about this, my daughter's in bed and I'm trying to do this video because I have to get cracked on. So anyway, you get your scraper and you go all the way down like so. Taking all this excess filler off. And it just goes all the way down like that. And you're basically pushing all this on back onto the wall. So you're actually creating a corner, basically. And you're straightening everything up. there. Now, that's basically it. That's what you've got to do. Once you've got everything off, like that, like I've showed you, all the way down from the top to the bottom, then what you do is you leave it, don't touch it, and we'll come back tomorrow and we'll see what it looks like, and I'll show you what you can do from then. And then I'll show you the finished product. See you in a sec. Right, you'll have to excuse the bangs at the background. Unfortunately, it's bomby night, but I need to get this done. So, I've mixed some more stuff up again. Obviously, it's the next night now. I've mixed some more stuff up, and just the same consistency. And all you're doing now is, there we go. It's all rock solid now, all perfect. And all you're doing is just get a cork board. That's all I've got, or a big scrape, big wide scraper if you want. And you just go down like so. Go down, pulling it all out lovely. Make sure everything's covered, all nice. And once you've done that, it's just a case of just going across like that. That's what I like to do anyway. Get it all out. Once you've worked all your way down, like so, just a case of letting it dry again. And then once it's dry, and then it's just a case of sanding it all down and getting it painted. But you shall see that when all this is dry. So I'll get cracked on with that, and I'll show you the next bit when it's all done. And this, my friends, is what it's going to look like until it's been sanded down. This side as well, just so you can see. But don't worry about all that good stuff, you know. Once it's dried, you can sand it and shape it how you want it, and you can even give it a refill, but I'll show you all that when it's dry. So all that's dry now, as you can see. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to sand it down, and this is how I'm going to do it. I've got myself palm sander, well, orbital sander, sorry, and I'm just going to go up and down with it, and I've got it hooked to our extractor to stop any of the mess. So that should get all this all lovely. Got my ears on, and I'll probably put my mask on. So that said, I'll get cracked on with that, and then we'll start getting this painted and sorted. Happy days. So I've gone in, sanded everything down, but as you can see here, I've had to refill a few bits and bobs. But the top now is all sorted, so I can start getting that done. So you'll see me doing a bit of caulking up, a bit of painting, but you'll see a little bit of how I make this process look better. But that side was absolutely spot on, and it's come up lovely. So with that said, I'll get cracked on, and then you'll see the finished product in a minute. I was a bit further into the future now. And obviously my daughter's moved in, as you can see, all the Barbie house and that in the background, but that's basically it. It's all finished, all done, and that's what it'll look like in the end. So let me give you a little close up. So there's the bottom of it, all the way up, spot on to the top, and all lovely across the top there. So there we have it. So with that said, just like to turn around, as we always do, turn around and say thanks very much for watching, and I hope to see you in the next one. Take care.